This is the new moon on Earth, Vegas' newest light-polluted spherical and most immersive experience to date. Although its exterior is impressive, from inside it's actually far more interesting than you might think. At 366 feet tall, it's officially the largest sphere and the largest screen in the world. It is so massive. I mean, this dome was assembling by taking crane upon crane. The screen 58,000 square foot, fully programmable LED screen. The whole thing can run on a single MacBook Air. The city of Las Vegas is known for its unique architect design. Its resorts and casino are some of the most iconic structure in the entire world. From the Venetian to the Bellagio and the MGM Grand, everything is built in Vegas around the idea of extravagance and magnificence. It is designed to give you more immersive experience with an infrasound haptic flowing system that carries bass through floor and beam-form sound system embedded in the wall that delivers sound directly to each seat. And I think it could completely transform live entertainment. Basically, the sphere is actually one of the worst shapes for acoustics because the sound it bounces around the hall and it gets muddled. So when you go inside spherical venues, there is still the traditional curved, which is ideal shape for acoustic. So when they were building the sphere, they developed a new sound system that uses audio beam to deliver sound directly to visual screen. Actually 168,000 speakers, which means at roughly 20,000 seats, and there are about 8.4 speakers per person. And this allows them to capitalize on the spherical form to create a completely new gems of entertainment. It's kind of mid of planetarium, IMAX, opera hall, and stadium and VR goggles. And it also includes haptic technology for cooling winds, rumbling seats, even send different kinds of environment into show. Sphere is music and entertainment arena located just a block away, the world's famous Las Vegas Strip, and more than 100 meters tall with a diameter of 150 meters across. It now holds world record for being the largest spherical shapes in the whole world. The sphere will be able to be used for award shows, product launches, and even sports tournaments, concerts, etc. The creator of Sphere are already planning to build a similar structure in London, Dubai, South Korea, and eventually more around the world. In a total of 1.2 million individual LEDs lit up for the very first time in a spectacular display 60,000 times that of an average 55-inch TV that you probably have at home. Capital of the words, there's no shortage of the music, venues, and arenas. One of the interior feature a massive wraparound LED screen that follows the dome curvature. It is quite small compared to the behemoths of the outside. The indoor screen is still impressive on its earth, with a total surface area of 50,000 square feet of light and colors. The building made itself known to the entirely Vegas. It's the largest video capable screen of its kind. The size of this display is more with the largest, highest resolution wraparound display in the world. To get the best possible content for this incredible screen, the creators behind the MSG Sphere had to engineer their own unique system called the Big Sky. This sky is one of the most powerful in the world, allowing for 18x footage with 120 fps. This is an incredibly huge number for dedicated type of content. This would also allow for playing multiple languages at once. The person next to you might be listening in Hindi while you are listening in English. Technology behind all of this is still pretty much brand new. Because of this, an entire production studio meant to create content just for the venues was opened in 2022. This studio aims to pursue with a different filmmaker and musician, create one-of-a-kind experience for the Las Vegas Sphere and the future spheres. It's cost $2.3 billion, and it could take them a long time to make them back. And in fact, MSG and the James Poller brainchild and the prime investor behind the Sphere is currently facing lawsuits from the surreal contract, comparing for more than $3 million of unpaid bills. According to S&P Global, the Sphere is going to take up about 95,000 megawatts per hour of electricity annually. That's roughly $17.2 million per year. 529 of their building and win the money. They're already sunk into the project, so the Sphere consumes the energy roughly, and just a reference of typical commercial building of between 50,000 to 25,000 square feet, and the money that they will be paying, the audience might be the ones paying the price. The transcended the mere function for building and there became destination that people travel to. There connection between the inside and outside that allows the indoor tickets concerts to be projected outside for the non-paying audience. But despite have walls, it integrated with the site. 850 out of the 1200 residents group voted against the project, who understandably said that they don't want to be forced to live face to face with an enormous glowing advertising ball. The project is one a temporary hole, and this is the big light pollution issue of them are human and health. But there are some big arguments for the project. It's going to create thousands of jobs and it's going to bring in 60,000 people daily for 300 days of the year to this part of the city. To address some of these concerns, the light pollution issue slowly increasing in the entire world. If you love the video, please like the video and do comment about the video. Do subscribe. Bye bye.